The power of back off in English. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a common phrase in the English language that you might hear in various situations. It's back off. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it appropriately. Let's get started. Back off is a phrasal verb that can be used in several ways. Primarily, it means 1. To move backward, especially in order to avoid someone or something. 2. To stop threatening, bothering, or interfering with someone or something. For example, if you're too close to someone, they might say, "Can you back off a bit?" You're too close. If someone is being very aggressive or assertive about something, you might tell them to back off as a way of asking them to be less aggressive. While back off generally means to move away or to stop being aggressive, it can be used in various contexts. 1. Physical distance. 2. I need some space. Please back off. 3. Emotional or interpersonal situations. 4. I think you should back off and let her make her own decision. 5. Avoiding conflicts. 6. He's really angry right now. It's best to back off. It's worth noting that back off can be similar to other phrases like step back or leave me alone. However, back off often carries a more assertive or urgent tone. It's like a stronger way of saying, "Give me space." Understanding phrasal verbs like back off is crucial for effective communication in English. They might seem simple, but they carry a lot of meaning in different contexts. We hope this video helped shed light on the power of back off. Keep practicing, and remember, context is key. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!